Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make steak on a Blackstone griddle. First, choose a quality steak, like a ribeye or New York strip, ideally about 1.5 inches thick. Pat it thoroughly dry with paper towels, then season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Next, preheat your griddle to a medium-high heat, aiming for about 400 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit across the surface. Once your griddle is hot, add a high smoke point oil, like avocado or grapeseed oil, to the cooking surface. Carefully place your seasoned steak onto the griddle. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes on the first side to develop a rich, brown crust. Then, flip the steak just once and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes on the second side, depending on your desired doneness. To ensure perfect doneness, use an instant-treat meat thermometer. For medium rare, aim for 130 degrees Fahrenheit. For medium, target 135 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and for medium well, look for 145 to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your steak reaches the desired temperature, remove it from the griddle and let it rest on a cutting board for 5 to 10 minutes. This is crucial for juicy results. While your steak rests, you can enhance its flavor by adding a pat of butter, some crushed garlic, and fresh herbs like rosemary or thyme on top. The residual heat will melt the butter, allowing the flavors to infuse. After resting, slice the steak against the grain into desired portions. Serve immediately with your favorite side dishes for a delicious and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.